Probably guys, nagtataka kayo kung nasaan ako today. Andito ako sa bahay ng aking parents and I would convert itong kanilang lumang TV na binili nung way back 2008, no? And convert it into a smart TV using Cignal Play. Itong kanilang TV, lahat wala. Walang wifi, SD card lang, pwede may salpak, and basically, cable TV panahon pa tong TV nila, pero matibay. This is a Panasonic na Viera, and if tama ako, nabili nila to roughly mga 35,000 pesos para sa 32-inch way back 2008. So, ang tagal na nun. So, samahan niyo ako today, unbox natin ang Cignal Play na box, and i-install natin dito, and pagaganahin natin. We'll make this one smart. So, let's go. So yeah guys, i-unbox natin itong Cignal Play TV natin. It's a all-in-one entertainment hub. So, ang dami mong channels pa nung panood dito. Try natin later and pwede natin gamitin si Hey Google. So, ganito ka ng packaging. So, these are the things inside the box. So, let's just go ahead. Buksan na natin. Yun. Tanggal na ito ng seryo. Check. Yun. Meron siyang kasamang free na premium access pass for 30 days. Ito yung ating quick start guide. You might want to review this one bago mo install. And nandito ating device. Check it later. Sabi niya sa akin, enjoy. Okay. I will. Don't worry. Then, of course, there's another card here. Uy, Pilipinas Slide. Free for another 30 days. Wow. Sulit. Tala may scratch lang to. We have yung ating power brick. We have our remote controller. So na natin, no? Dito mga shortcuts natin. Pilipinas Live, YouTube, Netflix, voice assistant. And we're good. May battery. Have your HDMI cable. And of course, yung ating Cignal Play. Oh, liit niya, guys, liit. Compare sa mga ibang Android boxes, malalaki ito, liit. Sa likod, on-off button, yung ating power in, HDMI port, LAN port, and AV. Pwede ka magkabit ng speaker dito kung gusto mo. On the side, micro SD card, dalawang USB slot. Wala. Dito, IR. And ito yung sura sa ilalim. Lit, solid. So, tara. Boot up na natin ng TV. So yun guys, sakapit na natin signal box natin. So right now, nandito na siya. Connecting via HDMI cable papunta dito sa ating lumang TV na Viera na Panasonic, no? So this is a pretty thick na TV pa. Well, back then, ganito kakapal pa, no? And got nothing else but a SD card slot dito. Yung kinabit ko siya dito sa likod sa kanya HDMI port. Hindi ko ma-move to kasi fixed to, mga dating panahon, hindi pa siya swivel type. So talagang medyo luma na talaga to, no? So let's start and calibrate. So pag nakapag-boot up ka na, this is the menu that you'll be getting from the Cignal Play na TV box. Now, this is basically your home screen. Makita mo everything here and you'll see all of these apps, no? Mga to, pag walang nakalabel na premium, it's free. Pero once may makita kang premium or premium plus, may mga bayad yan, definitely. Now, we'll run down some of these apps na pwede mo magamitin. Netflix, Pilipinas Live, HBO Max, View, Lionsgate Play, YouTube, and you can add some if you want. So, here's some of the trending movies na pwede niyong bayaran at mapanood. And of course, some news channel na subscription-based din, CNN, Bloomberg, no? And here are some of the sports channel na may bayad din. Pero you can subscribe naman sa Pilipinas Live to get some of those channels na subscription-based din para mapanood din na maayos, no? So, ito yan, Pilipinas Live. But I'll teach that to you later. So, ito yung mga live TV, movie series free zone. No? So, let's just simply check on ano nga ba mga free zone lang dito. So, basically, you'll see RPTV, TV5, yung mga walang bayad. True FM, Bill TV, Kapatid Channel, 1PH. Ito yung mga may bayad, no? Ang mga first few episode libre, pero pag load ka na noon, may bayad na siya. So, let's just simply check si TV5 kung how it looks like. It's just a quick preview lang, no?
So, yun yung na-realize ko po na...
So, let's go home and try naman natin YouTube, which is definitely free. Yan. So, we can watch mga videos na like this, no? Dating TV na to, like way back in 2008, is that cable TV lang. So, Commercial muna tayo, commercial break. So yun guys, nakita nila, no? It's a big upgrade, no? Lalo if you're having a TV na complete LED na dating nanonood ko lang ng mga cable TV na very boring. So ngayon, you can switch, actually, naka-auto 4K siya, pero yung nga lang, limitation ng aking TV ng parents ko, it's just 1080p. Pero naka-max out naman siya sa 4K. So if you're putting this one to a 4K TV, you can watch 4K quality video using the Cignal Play TV Box, no? Pero right now, yun nga lang sabi ko sa inyo, it's an upgrade already kasi limitation ng TV nito is talagang 1080p lang kaya niya. Yun yung pinakasagad niya. So right now, let's just simply watch ourselves. Now let's just simply use itong button na ito. Kung anong gusto natin mapanood, no? Gadget sidekick. Kita nyo, no, na it's a big upgrade na dating parents ko. Nanonood lang ng mga channels na you can only watch yung mga TV, Channel 2, Channel 5, Channel 7, Channel 9. So imagine mo, no, na dating nanonood ka lang sa yung mga smartphone. Pero get the luxury to enjoy yung mga videos like sa YouTube on a big screen like this, talagang mas hindi ganun ka-strenuous sa inyong mata, hindi maliit ang screen, malaki ang screen. Kahit anong size ng TV yung gusto mo salpak ng Cignal Play TV, like 32-inch, 40-inch, 55-inch, 60-inch, 72-inch, 100-inch, nasa sa inyo na yun. May enjoy mo talaga lahat ng contents on this one. And mind you, maganda naman kanyang sound output, no? Pero actually more of dependent siya sa sounds from the TV or sa inyong Bluetooth speaker bar. So depende yan, no? So right now, i-navigate lang natin si Pilipinas Live. So this is basically a subscription base. So basically si Pilipinas Live is more on mga sports happening here in the Philippines. So dami niyang pwedeng panoorin. Like, let's just simply try to watch one of the UAAP games.
Here's a run. First ace of the game coming from Gadget.
So far, it's a 4-0 run for the Soaring Falcons and scores on ace and holds the Hurricanes.
So after scratching itong dalawang card na ito, we already have inputted yung ating Cignal Play na free premium plus access and yung Pilipinas Live natin na free premium access. This is valid for 30 days. Basically, welcoming package siya kasama inside the box, and pag scratch mo, you get the codes and pwede mo ipasok na sa inyong account. So let's see kung ano mga na-unlock natin. So right now, so if we go on over dito sa mga apps natin, no, you'll see yung mga premium. Pwede tayo mag-unlock ng premium and premium pass. Premium plus, like ito, sabi natin CNN, naka-premium plus siya. So, technically, I can watch yung mga, diba? So, kung hindi ka nakasubscribe naman sa premium plus, hindi mo mapapanood ang mga channels na ito, which is by default nakalock siya. So basically you are unlocking a lot of channels. So let's see what are the other channels na ma-unlock natin. Just simply go back home. So yung mga HBO, ito mga to, lahat yung ma-unlock mo. So NBA TV Philippines, so ito mga to, lahat yan automatic unlock na yan. Nickelodeon, so premium din siya. So you can let your kid watch shows like this one. So ayos, diba? I mean, perfect na perfect siya for kids. Hindi lang for the adults, pati mga kids pwede sila mag-enjoy naman dito on this one. Now, upon further checking some of the channels na probably gusto natin makita, HBO Plus. So, yan natin, no? Yan, so be able to watch HBO. I mean, there's a lot, up-down ka lang, no, sa inyong remote. Lahat ng mga na-unlock mong channel makita mo. PBA Rush, lahat yung mga premium, One News, DepEd TV. I'm not sure bakit to, no? Bakit premium si DepEd TV? So right now, let's head on over to the other one na in-unlock natin, which is Pilipinas Live. Ayan, nandito si Pilipinas Live. No? So that's the other one na na-unlock natin. So let's see. We are able to watch mga pay-per-view like FIFA World Cup. Hindi, may ano pa siya. Iba pa yung pay-per-view. So pay-per-view is 1,999. So ito. Nanood muna tayo ng ito. Yan, pwede yan. Last time naka-lock to. So right now, you can watch NBA TV. Pero parang meron na siya kanina sa Cignal TV. I'm not quite sure kung in-unlock siya dahil naka-unlock na tayo Cignal TV. Let's go back. Let's check the others. So, marami dito mga na-unlock natin. So, ito mga to, na-unlock din yan, no? Hindi yan free last time. Pero ngayon, since naka-premium pass na tayo, we can watch it. These are pre-recorded. Yeah, you can already watch this one. UAAP. So, check lang natin. Mga naka-lock din yan. PVL All Filipino Conference. Yan. Pwede mo panoorin din yan. Mga to All-Star na PVL. Ito yung mga bago, no, sa Pilipinas Live. Rising Star Invitational. Mostly mga sports, no, nandito lahat. Yan. Starting line. Ang mga free na yan. So, let's check this one. Hindi libre ito, no, for sure. Yan, mga invitational. I'm not sure, no, kung ano to. Mga Rising Stars. Yan. So, you can basically check all of these ones, no. So, it's basically a tournament. Ano nangyari? I think here in the Philippines. Yeah. So, marami ka rin ma-unlock, no? If you are a sports junkie, marami ka mapapanood din dito sa Pilipinas Live. Pero overall, I would say na sulit, no? If you are able to get the Cignal Play na free premium plus na access, dahil sobrang dami kang ma-unlock na channel, no? Just to enjoy itong package mo. Talagang siksik, no? Na get a lot of channels here na hindi mo mapapanood if you are not subscribed, no? So, ito mga to, special package yun. I'm not quite sure, maybe there's another package to buy para dito sa mga to. So right now guys, is-showcase ko lang isa sa pinaka-important na feature na meron dito ni Cignal Play TV, which is the live TV. Makita nyo ito guys, live TV. So, ito yung mga parang nanood ka na ng TV. At this point of time, may ganitong show. At that point of time, may ganitong show. So you'll see sa like mga local channels natin. Yan, so meron tayong TV5. May kapatid channel tayo. Yan. So depende sa bilis ng internet, no? Ang pag-loading. Yan, so this is the RPTV. Pero I think the Premium Plus already good enough for everyday watching, di ba? I mean, perfect na siya. What do you think, guys? So yan guys, nakita na everything na pwede mo magawa on your Cignal Play TV using your old TV. So, hindi mo na kailangan bumili pa ng mga bagong na Android TV or papapagastos ka pa, di ba? So, rather, you can still use yung mga TV nyo na kasing tibay nito na Panasonic Viera. Just buy the Cignal TV Box, no? Wala na ngayon, wala nang Sky Cable. Wala na mga cable dati na subscription-based. You can always use yung Cignal TV Box to enjoy every content. Basta meron kang good internet connection, you will be able to enjoy all of the premium stuff dito, subscription-based, para ka lang babae ng cable TV dati. And of course, you can watch yung mga libre like sa YouTube, mga news and everything dito. Just kalikutin mo lang tong TV box na ito and I'm pretty sure ma-entertain ka kahit luma na yung TV mo. Except mga black and white na TV dati, ha? Ibang kwento yon. So you can get itong Cignal TV na bundle for roughly 2,990 pesos and you can buy this sa Orange app, the Blue app, or the Black app. And meron din sa Kim Store. So I'll pop the link on the description box below. Ano siya pwede mabili or just simply check yung aking YouTube shopping link para makakuha pa kayo ng vouchers to get this even lower. So guys, kung natuwa naman kayo dito sa ating review ng Cignal TV Box, do give me a like and subscribe sa aking channel so you'll be notified once na nagkaroon ng mga bagong video just like this one. And of course, kung gusto nyo malaman kung saan kayo pwede bumili ng Cignal TV Box, I'll pop the link on the description box below para makita ninyo kung saan pwede siyang mabili lang legit. Or just simply click yung YouTube shopping link din natin para ma-redirect kayo sa mga official links na nire-recommend natin. So paano guys, hanggang dito muna ako. I'll see you in my next video. Peace out. And so, ako para si Richmond and you're watching Gadget Sidekick. Like and subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to hit that notification bell. For one of my latest uploads, click the dito. And for one of my popular uploads, click here.